impeachment.
Go.
Nakakabahan.
Ito, okay.
Alam ko boring yung agree, pero ito kasi
No,
yung kanyang
I like the
No,
agree.
yeah, we like the
I
agree,
like
no?
the agree.
Kasi nga, Attorney Trix, no? Marami.
Makikita mo dun sa agree where he used to be
Napaka-basic nung
Secretary of Agriculture.
Yeah, he was supposed to be fixing it.
Plus, given yung ating volatile relationship with our foreign markets, nakakatakot kasi nga, parang semi-hostile way. Kasi nagtaas pa ng tariff rates for most of Asia, as a
Right.
matter of fact.
Right.
So, ang tanong is, how is this also going to affect our importation with fellow members of ASEAN?
Right.
Very dependent tayo sa importation natin, ASEAN members. So, meanwhile, back at the ranch, impeachment. Nakakatawa kasi nung lumalabas na mga makibaka na nasa kalye, sinasabi nagde-demand sila for accountability. Pero nakakalimutan nila ito yung reason for optimism natin. Ang reason for optimism is that the Supreme Court paid attention to what happened on February 5, 2025. Yung February 5, there was no real discussion. There was no... In fact, ano yung lumabas? Ang announcement via text to the Congress check nyo kay Kong Ungab, was may caucus. Kaya nagpuntahan yung mga lahat ng kongresista, posible yung nakatanggap ng notice. Yung pala, pagdating ko, nagpipirma sila in exchange for something. So bakit importante ito? Because the Supreme Court, in a very, very nice way, basically said, very nice way, sinabi ni Justice Leonen, halata naman kayo, wala kayong ebidensya
Tama.
Kasi ang pinihingi ng Supreme Court in this case was, ibigay niyo sa amin if nagpaikot kayo ng complaint or ng articles of impeachment, yung evidence na kaakibat no, nabigyan ba ng oras yung mga kongresista
Na mag-study.
basahin yun at ma-appreciate yung ebidensya
Tama.
at nagkaroon ba ng debate. Tinanong din nila, o nakuha ba ni BP Inday yung ebidensya na nakasaad laban sa kanya? Nabigyan ba siya ng oras para pag-aralan yon at nabigyan ba siya ng pagkakataon na sumagot? Lahat yun no. Kaya imbis na magsabi ng no, sabi na lang ng Congress, we decline. Kasi internal processes namin yan and therefore, hindi pwedeng panghimasukan ng Korte Suprema yan dahil political question nga yan, as Attorney Glenn said. But in truth, there was no impeachment.
Right.
In truth, it was really just a day na magpirmahan sila. And so
That's true.
May may judicial activism dito. Kasi normally, hindi pwedeng utusan ng Supreme Court yung legislative branch na, uy, gawan nyo ng rule yan. Kasi it is the right of the legislature to do so. Except when it tramples upon the rights of another person. So in this case, yung lack of notice ni VP Inday, yung lack of an actual complaint. Has anybody seen the complaint? Hindi niyo ba napansin?
Yeah.
Everybody talks about the fourth complaint, but nobody has
Seen it.
Yes.
Where is the fourth complaint? All we saw are the articles of impeachment. Diba? So, my point is this.
No.
Hindi siya according to him, press release niya, hindi siya pro-impeachment ni VP Inday. According to him, sinabihan daw niya, wag silang magpa-impeach. It's not a good idea. Marami ibang dapat gawin. The weakness of his leadership was that he could not even get his own kakampi in the House to toe the line and not impeach. He also is very quiet about what is going on. The Supreme Court already blew the lid. Wala kayong ginawang impeachment, nagpatawag kayo ng caucus, nagpapirma kayo, tapos magic niya, suddenly there's a fourth impeachment complaint.
Tama.
And on the same day, they transmitted that to the Senate.
Yes.
Sa madaling sabi, kinilala ng Korte Suprema, parang, di ba, parang, hindi nyo man lang ginawang 3 araw, 2 araw, para merong semblance of due
Expert kasi sila kumuha
And
ng
this is how the
pirma.
Congress operates in the Marcos administration. Watchful eye of this president who is so weak, yung mga excesses ng mga sarili niyang tao, hindi niya chinecheck.
Right.
In the past 6 years, since 2022, the president has not changed. And in fact, has gotten weaker. Against siya sa impeachment, complaint, and it took the Supreme Court to tell them you can't do that. The president, who is the father of the nation, who is supposed to be our moral leader, fails and continues to fail unto this day. So, anong state of the nation natin? We are at the mercy of a weak president and a corrupt administration. Let's say that the president is not corrupt for the moment. I don't believe that. He is incapable of leading this country because he cannot even tell his own people na kahit paano, kunwari ng konti, hindi halata matado, yung paglalapastangan nila ng mga karapatan ng nila. So, and that's how we stand on this. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Attorney Trix.
Kung may tanong lang, okay ba?
All right. Yeah. Attorney Trix, no? Would you do you expect the 20th Congress to act the same way that the 19th Congress acted?
Grabe. Mabait pa yung Supreme Court.
Oo.
Without tapos sasabihin ng mga Senado. And this is also something that we should be on guard with. The senators are saying dapat ituloy. The Supreme Court has said, anong itutuloy ninyo? No,
There's
wala nga jurisdiction eh. Wala nga jurisdiction. The Senate didn't acquire jurisdiction, sabi ng korte.
Correct. Because there are no
They will
impeachment complaints.
They will just tuloy
There's no
their sarsuela. Sarsuela na.
Anong hearing nila? And you know what the dangerous part here is? Most of the impeachment really is a pretext to mine for evidence. Isiniwalat na yan ni Sonny Trillanes in the Quadcom. And in fact, that is scales of impeachment. Because they plan to fish for evidence during the impeachment trial because this is what happened during the time of CJ Corona's impeachment.
Yes.
They want to replicate this. Kumbaga, gusto nilang ulitin yung paglalapastangan sa saligang batas nung panahon ni Justice Corona. Uulitin lang nila knowing fully well that history has already judged that incident and has not judged it in a kind way. So, paano mga to? Ibig sabihin, they don't really care what we think. Gusto lang nilang ituloy ito. Worry nga ng ibang mga audience ko, sinasabi nila, baka naman kaya sila nagpipilit, baka hingan kasi sila ng refund. So, problema talaga yan para dun sa mga
O baka nasasayangan lang sa mga maroon na robes. Sabi nila, mahal daw yung maroon robes na hindi magagamit, slightly used.
Kasi mas importante yung robes kaysa karapatan ng tao. Tama yun.
So thank you very much,
All right.
Attorney Trixie. Please do stay with us because we also invite the audience to interpolate with our speakers po. Stay if you can po. Oh, we will be having a short break.
Okay.
About 2 minutes.
We'll have a 2-minute break and then we will continue on after the break. Salamat po, Attorney Trixie. Thank you so much. No?